Alright, I'm going to take a video of these turn signal mirrors that I'm listing as near mint. These are turn signal mirrors. You can see the turn signal in them. I've got the flash on my camera here, so that way you can see that they are turn signal mirrors. This one is the passenger side. There is absolutely, I would say, zero wrong with this. Let me see if I can turn my flash off. There we go. Make it see, so you can see it a little easier. The back is pretty clear. It's got my fingerprints all over it. It's got one little blemish right there. Matter of fact, that may even come off. Nope, that's in there. So that little spot right there, it's got some very minor markings on the bottom. The sides are good. The glass is good. There is a small mark on the glass right here. I don't know if you can kind of see it. Not really. Anyway, this one is like perfect. The driver's side mirror, there's a flaw in the glass right there. Very, very minor. What I've seen on this particular one, the worst thing on this really is that right there, and that's on the bottom, so you won't even see it. At an angle you can barely see it. The back is good. The sides are good. The top is good. Everything is good. But yeah, thanks for that. Anyway, that was my wife dropping something. She's a mad woman in the kitchen right now. That right there is basically the only thing with this mirror, and that little bitty mark on the glass. That's it. Now on the passenger mirror, I don't know if you've seen it in the video or not, there is currently no plug for this mirror. I can put a plug on here. It's not a big deal, and I intend to before I ship it out, and I'll make sure it's wired correctly.